Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to shred items on a Mac computer using the application Clean My Mac. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application Clean My Mac. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, locate Clean My Mac. There we have it, Clean My Mac X. Let's now increase the size of the application. Navigate to Shredder. Select the files. Let's go to the desktop. Items to be shredded. Let's just open up the whole folder. Click on Shred. And now we have shredded the items that we did not require. Let's now quit. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.